Hello and welcome to 2024. This is a video I've put together, just a wee quick one we did on New Year's Day actually. We saw that the weather was going to be real nice, so we decided to head out here around my local area where I live and on the north coast of Northern Ireland and see if we can find some lanes. You recognise this road, you'll have seen it in a couple of my videos. This is heading down towards Downhill Beach, and that's Donegal in the distance across the water. This area that I live in is designated as an area of natural beauty, and Benevena, where I did the V85 review, that's part of the area here. It's literally up this road, probably 3 miles up this road. So with that said, I'd like to just wish everybody a happy and prosperous 2024. I hope all your dreams and trips come true and you have a great year ahead of yourself. I know we have planned a great trip here in July for 2 weeks. We're going to head from Northern Ireland across Dublin, Holyhead, down to Folkestone, get the Channel Tunnel across into France. Ride down through France over a couple of days, make it as far down probably as Monaco, and then sort of head over into northern Italy, do a tour of the Moto Guzzi factory, Lake Como, etc. Then head probably more north towards Switzerland and Austria, and probably do some of the great passes that are in those countries. Then head into Germany, do the Black Forest and maybe even the Nürburgring for the crack. Then head home via the Netherlands, and we'll go home via the IJmuiden Newcastle ferry. So that's the big trip planned for this year. So there'll be other smaller trips, probably group trips with the lads. There'll definitely be some solo trips, I'm sure, camp trips. I know I would like to try and go over to Scotland. My son lives in Stirling, and I wouldn't mind going over and visiting him, and then maybe incorporating a wee bit of the NC 500. So we'll see how that pans out. That's not really something that's set in stone, but it's something that's in my mind.
Yeah.
One thing regarding the channel, it had a milestone just around Christmas there. If you didn't see the post that I put up, it hit 2,000 subscribers, which is unbelievable. It's something I ever thought I would ever do. 10, 20, 30, maybe 100 max. That's kind of what you think. It wasn't even really a channel at the start. The channel has been on, I've had this channel for 10 years, but it had random stuff on it, like dogs and cars and stuff like that. So I deleted that all off and turned it into Bucky Moto in September 2022 when I did the first Wild Atlantic Way trip with my mate on the GS. And that was really truly the first video we put up. I also enjoy learning new things. I love learning new skills, and so along with the recording footage, I needed some way to edit it. So I started learning how to use DaVinci Resolve. By no means absolutely no expert at it, and I have to YouTube still a lot of things, but anyway, they help edit the video. So that's kind of where the channel came along from, and the fact that 2,000 people now regularly tune in and watch the stuff that I put out just makes me smile. But anyhow, one thing on that note, there is still an awful lot of people who watch the videos. They get probably the search algorithm or whatever, and they come across the videos and they're not subscribed. So if you would just do me one favour for the beginning of the year, that little helmet icon that's down in the lower right hand corner, just hit that and subscribe to the channel. It's literally 2 clicks and you're subscribed. And then if you really wouldn't mind, which would help even more, would be hit that bell icon. And that's, again, as I've said many times, I don't fully understand how YouTube works, but apparently that's what you need to do for the algorithm to push the videos further up the queue. Because not only do I enjoy making the videos, I enjoy showcasing Northern Ireland, I enjoy showcasing the country I live in, whether that be north or south. It's a great wee country. yes, it's 40 shades of green, and it's 40 shades of green for, like you see here in this video. It rained for nearly a week solid there during Christmas, and today was a great day, so obviously a great opportunity. But whenever it's sun shining, this is a great wee country. It's better known for other bad things, but it's got a lot going for it nowadays. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that bell icon and subscribing, that would make my day. But anyhow, with that said, I've waffled on long enough. This is just a short video of us trying to find some lanes and gravel tracks that we can get up and down on the bikes. We ended up on the beach, and which was great too. We managed to get all the way up. The beach is probably about, I would say 4 mile long. So there's a couple of river crossings across it, so that we went across. So again, I'll leave you to it. I'm waffling on far too much here. So see you later on in the year, hopefully not too far away in the distant future, and enjoy the rest of the video. See you then. Bye bye.
Musk around there. Can you get in there and out over the tip of the tree? Should a wee light bike guy. Depends how sharp that drop is. He's getting over there, like. He's getting over there. Oh, tractor, horse. Going one up the top. Let's have another one. I'm being careful here.